Let's unbox the Aoralscan Elite Wireless. In the top compartment of the case is a white envelope. Inside the envelope we have our quick start guide and cleaning and sterilization guidance and tips. Once you open the box, you'll see a QR code that you can scan, and that QR code will take you to our website, and there you'll find the Elite Wireless video guide. We have our box with two USB-C cables inside. Next, we have the cradle for the scanner to sit in and also charge the batteries. Our Aoralscan Elite Wireless wand. We have the calibration block here. The USB connection for the calibration block. With the Elite Wireless, we get 6 scanning tips. We get 2 extra large tips for the IPG photogrammetry scan, 3 standard tips, and 1 mini tip. These are autoclavable up to 100 times. We also get our charging case for the battery and 2 batteries for our Elite Wireless. We also have a USB drive for the software. With the purchase of your Aoralscan Elite, you will also receive a High Accuracy Coded Scanbody kit that will go with the implant system of your choice. When you open the box, inside the flap, you'll see a white envelope. Inside the white envelope, we have our Scanbody Quick Start Guide, as well as a sterilization guide for your coded Scanbodies. If you scan the QR code on the paper, it'll take you to the website where we have detailed instructions on how to sterilize your coded Scanbodies. You'll also receive a certificate of QC. Inside this white rectangle box is where the High Accuracy Coded Scanbodies come individually wrapped, and you will also receive a practice model with multi-unit abutments. If you scan this QR code on the white box, it'll take you to our instructional video of the High Accuracy Coded Scanbodies. This kit has been assembled. It can be autoclaved, and each individual Scanbody can be autoclaved up to 300 times. Inside the box, we have our 9 High Accuracy Coded Scanbodies, 2 drivers, and 1 torquing wrench. With the purchase of your Aoralscan Elite, you will have the option of choosing a High Accuracy Coded Scanbody kit that is standard, or you can choose the screw removable High Accuracy Coded Scanbody kit. This package is the screw removable Coded Scanbody kit. Once you open the box, in the flap you'll see a white envelope. Inside the white envelope, we have our sterilization guide and quick start guide. If you scan the QR code on the sterilization guide, it'll take you to our website where you will find detailed instructions on how to sterilize your high accuracy coded Scanbodies. Next, you will find a box with the printed study model with multi-unit abutments attached. And our coated scan body kit. So the box is autoclavable, and each high accuracy coated scan body is autoclavable up to 300 times. We have our 9 high accuracy coated scan bodies, as well as 12 coated scan caps, a silver tray for our screws. We also received 2 drivers and a torquing wrench.